What's up, guys, and whoever else may be watching? Here I got another pair of sneakers, a pair of Converse. Pretty amazing, pretty classic colorway, pretty classic silhouette, if I do say so myself. I think almost everyone can appreciate a pair of these. Almost everyone wants a pair of these in their rotation because they look pretty good when they're brand new. They look pretty amazing when they're brand new. And they don't look worse when you beat them up. A lot of people think they look better. So I'd strongly suggest picking up a pair of these. Link in the description below if you want to check them out on Amazon. Amazon's a great place to shop because Amazon. You know what I mean? I'm going to throw these on here. Let me know what you think. A little bit big for me. Not my pair. But that's okay. They'll still look pretty swaggy in the thumbnail, as you may have already noticed. I'm the thumbnail champion of sneaker YouTube. Self-proclaimed. As tennis shoes go, as sneakers go, Converse are staples. Everybody needs a pair. That is if they want a pair. I'm going to show you how great these can look when you wear them out. Ultimately, they're pretty fire. Let me know what you think of these bad boys in the comment section below. That's right, I did refer to them as bad boys, but don't worry, I didn't mean it. Also, if you need a pair yourself, just check them out on Amazon. Link in the description below. If you get tired of your old pair, you can always buy a new one. They're not the most expensive shoes in the world. I know I didn't do a great job pulling them off with this white sock look, but you could do a lot better. Trust me. Maybe pick up a pair. Goodbye.